Welcome to the city of Riverside. We're in the Hive Grove area. So in this area, you're right off the 215 freeway, kind of where like that 60 and the 215, the 91 meters, there's a whole thing going on, but we're up the hill. And we're here where all the donkeys live. I can hear them going off right now. I can literally see some on the hill right now. So what I'm gonna have to do is get the drone and show you guys those donkeys, because I think it's pretty cool that they're out here. And they're everywhere, literally everywhere, which is cool to have. Right? That kind of tells you that you're a little bit further out. So tax rate around here is going to be around 1.8 or so. They have options to sell you solar, or you can lease it. And then HOA is going to be just over $100 at build out. So about 103 bucks. But the first home we're going to be checking out is the Gateway. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's going to be about 1,960 square feet. And I do enjoy the layout on this one for being a single story. Let's go check it out. Now, one thing that I always enjoy about new construction is you walk in and they got the higher doors, right? I'm about 6'5". I'm just kidding, I'm not 6'5". I'm 5'11". With Air Force Ones on. But come in, check it out. Frank, show them that bedroom right when you walk in. And then we have a full bath right here. And then we have Timmy's bedroom in here, which is a really great spot. And what I like about this space over here, that it's 2 bedrooms, kind of secluded from the home. So I know with families kind of getting together and living together, this is a great option for that young family. Say you're parents and you're like, hey, we need some space. This is a great option. Hey, you guys, parents could be in that bedroom. You guys have your own restroom. Timmy has his room, or brother, siblings, and you guys are able to share the space, which is really nice. I really like that. Now we come over here, and let's say, hey, that young family, needs to live over there, but where's grandma gonna stay? Where's grandpa gonna stay? I got another space for them, right? So we have a washroom here. And the washroom wasn't the space for them. It was more this space right here. This is gonna be an office space, but it has a closet. It can be a bedroom. Now they're gonna have to share a restroom. It's totally fine. Or it could be for that child that you really don't like and you just wanna put them kind of on the side of the home. That's another option too. So you have a lot of options with this house, which I do enjoy. So we walk over here, we got the hallway. Now, I like I like how the living room's set up here. It has kind of its own feel, its own space. It's really big, where for like our family we like family coming over, we would probably fill that whole space up with just couches, like 18-person couch space, because that's what we enjoy. And then we have this kitchen area here, a little dining room area, which I'm okay with. I don't care too much for like these big formal dining room areas. I want a good sized kitchen. And plus we can eat here, eat in the living room. It's a really nice space. I'm not gonna go to the back, but Frank, give him a peek kind of in the backyard. Just a quick little snapshot of that. Now let's go check out the master bedroom where all the magic happens. All right, so good space out here. Love how much room you have on each side of the bed here, and then going into the master bath. It's a warm day out here in Riverside, but his and hers bathtub. We have a walk-in closet. You'll be surprised in this walk-in closet. Come check it out real quick. That's not a bad closet for a really, entry home. So, all right, let's go on to the next one. So close to you right now. Man, they're playing the jams right now. This is like back in '09 when I was in high school right here. All right, We're gonna go check out the other single story. So let's just keep going. Follow me. Kind of sad we're leaving that song there, Frank. And again, we got some great space here. As you can kind of tell, as we're walking through, you have nothing but new homes out here. So it's not gonna be this weird community where you're like thinking, well, there's a bunch of old homes and new homes. It's not that combination. It's a combination of just newer homes. You will get some like older homes going up the hills, but they've just been there for a long time. And then now they're like, hey, we got all this houses being built. All right. So next is gonna be the Bellwood. This is gonna be more of their basic model, 1,865 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. All right, let's go check it out, come on. All right, welcome home. Welcome home. So now we're gonna have a similar layout here in the Bellwood where you have these 2 bedrooms here. You're gonna be able to tell. It's a little bit more basic in this one. Frank, give them an idea of what those bedrooms look like. All right, and then I'm gonna give you a quick shot of the washroom right over here. Oh, hey there, you're back. So now we get an idea of what this kitchen looks like. We're gonna have these nice countertops. Now you can have the option to go all the way to the top on the cabinets, but I love this huge island. As you've seen on the last one, it was kind of a weird shape, right? And then it leads into like this living room. Now we have more of a formal dining room area. I know it's kind of one big square, but it's a lot of good space here. Frank, give him an idea of what the rest of this room looks like. All right, we'll pop out on this one just really quick to get an idea of what the backyard spaces are gonna look like. Now, we have a ton of backyard space here for a new construction, right? They're not all gonna be like this, but it's gonna give you a good idea of what you can do. And then just know when you do buy a new construction home, all this is gonna be dirt, so. All right, come on. Now, I wanna know from you guys how you guys feel about this type of room, right? Because we're in the great room right now, but now we have this going into the master bedroom. Now they do this because of space, right? So it's ideal. But come in here. Frank, give them an idea, go around and show them the space of this master bedroom. And look at all the space right here. Frank's already in that corner, and I'm way over here, jamming out to the music. I don't got moves, but come on. And then you walk in and we have the master bath. Oh man, my hair's getting a little funky out here. But you got the his and hers. This is gonna be more of a basic setup. This is gonna give you a real true idea of what your home's gonna look like. I know some of these models look sometimes like they're just in super great shape. All right, let's meet you back in the great room. Come on. All right, Frank, meet me on this side over here. So guys, if you guys are looking to check these out, again, we're in the High Grove area. If you guys are looking to take a look at these, do not come without us. Make sure we're here with you. Make sure you're represented and we can help you get the best deal. So there's gonna be some details down below where you can reach out to us. You can find us on Instagram. You can email us. You can book a 15-minute call. And we can't wait to help you and your family get in a brand new home, because that's what we do. We are your SoCal new construction specialists. SoCal Cedeño, out.